In today's video, I'm going to teach you using CRM with ClickUp Quick Guide. We'll start right at the source. Log into your ClickUp account to land on your workspace dashboard. Think of this as your command center. It's where tasks, projects, and conversations come together. Getting comfortable here will make the rest of the process smooth. Next, head to the Spaces area and look for the plus icon. Click that to create something new, then move into the Templates section. Templates are your shortcut to a professional, consistent setup. Click on Templates, and when the search bar appears, type CRM. You'll see several CRM-ready options appear, each designed to help you track accounts, opportunities, and touchpoints without building everything from scratch. Choose the CRM approach that fits your needs. For this walkthrough, select Account Management, then click Use Template. You'll be prompted to enter a folder or space name. Pick something clear and consistent so your team knows exactly what lives here. Names that match your company's conventions make navigation effortless. Click Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will now create your CRM structure with the lists, views, and fields set up for customer relationship management. With your CRM space ready, let's add a quick example. Click. Add task to create a new item. This might be a new lead, an active account, or a renewal. You can also edit any task that came with the template to reflect your real pipeline, updating fields like status, owner, next steps, or due dates. As you work, you'll notice how each client or account appears in your views, giving you a clear snapshot of your pipeline. Be sure to click Save so your updates stick. Now, set priorities to align your team. Adjust the priority field on a task and choose High when something needs focused attention. Clear priorities help everyone see what's urgent, what's next, and what can wait. From there, manage your contacts directly in this CRM space. Edit existing contacts to keep details current. And when you need to track someone new, create a new client record. Keeping this information centralized ensures every interaction is documented and easy to find. And that's a wrap. You've just set up a CRM in ClickUp, added and edited tasks, saved your changes, adjusted priorities, and managed contacts, all within a space designed to streamline your workflow and improve team communication. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials that help you stay productive and organized. Ciao for now.